Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers. You're welcome back to my channel Nail Vibes. The channel, as you always know, that gives you nothing but the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. So in case you are seeing this channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on bell notification so that as soon as I drop a new video in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So my ladies, watching this video which I have for you today, you see that I have the best and most unique, sparkling and shining acrylic nail art designs for you. So watch to the end in order for you not to miss a single slide, and also so that you get to choose the best slides to make on your nails. So as you watch, kindly do support this channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for a later use. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching and engaging in my videos. Trust me guys, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much. So at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.